Zotakov, a glaciologist, demonstrated via theoretical analysis that there was a possibility of a decrease in Antarctic ice because the ice melted at a lower surface. Emerging discoveries later attested to the fact that the Russian scientists were indeed correct. There are subglacial lakes found on the continent. A subglacial lake is a lake that is found under a glacier, usually beneath an ice cap or ice sheet. So far, there have been 400 subglacial lakes discovered in Antarctica, and there are enough signs that there is still more out there. Lake Vostok stands out in Antarctica because it is the largest of the 400 known subglacial lakes on the continent. But this is not the only distinct feature that sets this lake apart. It is the 6th largest lake by volume and the 16th by surface area. This shouldn't be a surprise because Lake Vostok is 250 kilometers long and 30 kilometers wide at its widest point. More so, the lake covers 12,500 square kilometers. The depth of this subglacial lake is profound, as it extends over 432 meters. The lake's capacity is beyond what we normally see and is at an estimated volume of 5,400 cubic kilometers. Lake Vostok's vastness is divided into 2 deep basins by a ridge. The ridge separated the lake into a northern and southern region. The liquid water depth over the ridge is about 200 meters, which is small compared to the 400 meters in the northern basin. The southern basin has the highest depth at 800 meters. Sitting on top of the lake is Russia's Vostok Station, which the lake is named after. Vostok Station is a research station located in the inland Princess Elizabeth Land area of Antarctica. Founded in 1957 by the Soviet Union, the station employs ice core drilling and magnetometry to research the continent. The station has been pivotal to some research successes relating to Lake Vostok. To understand how Lake Vostok came into existence, we must go back to 160 million years ago when Africa separated from Antarctica. You heard correctly, Africa and Antarctica were once together as a single continent before they were divided by geological events. At some point, Antarctica was joined to the Indian subcontinent. However, they parted ways in the early Cretaceous about 125 million years ago. About 66 million years ago, Antarctica, which was then connected to Australia, still had a tropical and subtropical climate. This also includes marsupial fauna and an extensive rainforest. It was during this period that Lake Vostok was formed. One of the distinct traits of Lake Vostok is that its water rests on a bed of sediments 70 meters thick. This thickness proves the lake can be likened to a long-lost historical library.